Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre for your midweek weather update. We're expecting another sunny day over northern South Africa with the warm weather continuing for Gauteng and the surrounding provinces. Along the south coast, on the other hand, a series of weak cold fronts are moving through. Moist air pushes inland and along with that, cloudy skies and a bit of light rain for many areas over the Western and Eastern Cape. Evening rainfall expected over parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Now here in the Weather Centre, we're also keeping a close eye on a developing system to the northwest of the country. This deepening low is expected to bring extensive rainfall to the central parts by the end of this week. Rainfall probabilities for the rest of today, where there's up to a 60% chance of rain and showers for the Garden Route as well as for Port Elizabeth. Spreading further inland, rain will be isolated but reaching as far north as Beaufort West and Graafrenet. And here we see the rainfall over central and eastern KwaZulu-Natal, mainly towards the evening hours. The Highveld remaining dry once again. It's going to be a cold day over the southern interior, lower teens expected for some places over the Eastern Cape and Western Cape interior. For the Free State, temperatures hover around the 20-degree mark, but even warmer weather expected further north, 26 for Mbombela and a pair of 25s for Mahikeng as well as Polokwane. Fairly windy weather is expected along the west coast today. Those southeasterly winds getting up to 35 kilometers per hour at times. Swells will be moderate at 2.5 meters. And swell heights will be much the same as we head further south for the Cape Peninsula, although it's going to be another windy day around this area. And in Cape Agulhas, although the winds will be light, we are expecting it to be cloudy and wet, making for a bad beach day. Along the south coast, lighter winds are forecast for the Garden Route at 15 kilometers per hour. As we head towards Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, moderate to fresh winds are expected, but swells are going to be fairly low once again at 2.5 meters as well. And finally, for the east coast of the country, southwesterly winds are going to be fresh over this area, especially in the afternoon for KwaZulu-Natal, averaging between 30 and 35 kilometers per hour. And this is also helping to increase the swells to 2.5 meters, resulting in a 3 to 4 foot breaker along the shore.
News that moves. eNCA.com.